Luber Goober here. Flatratemaster wanted me to talk about something that happened to me recently. It's kind of messed up. So the story goes, me and my bros are knocking heads on MW2. That's Modern Warfare 2. Hanging out on my PlayStation, talking to my bros, and we're just running through all these noobs. I mean, we were just kicking butt. My squad goes, come on, man, I gotta go to bed. I'm like, nah, come on, we can do some more matches. Well, anyway, they jumped off, and I'm like, all right, maybe I should go to bed. Looked at the clock, realized I needed to go to work. So I debated on calling in sick, which I should have. But I'd already called in sick already that week, so had to go. Loaded up on the bang. I mean, I was chugging them on the way there. Got to work on time. That's the first time that's happened in a long time. I was on time. Fast forward a little bit of the day, and I decided I needed to take a break, if you know what I mean. So I went into the restroom, put my AirPods in, clicked on a movie I like, Joe Dirt, and promptly fell asleep. I had my ringer turned off, had my phone propped up so I didn't feel it vibrating, and didn't hear them knocking on the door because, Joe Dirt. They called the fire department and broke down the door. Per Jeremy Clarkson, a little poo came out. I wish I wasn't wearing pants, if you know what I mean. Scared the snot out of me when they come busting through that door. I done got fired. Fire department did a bunch of damage to that door because I was stuck in there, thought I died. I mean, I was dying because I ain't getting no sleep. So be aware, after spending all night playing MW2, you fall asleep in the bathroom. Only put one AirPod in, because otherwise you too might get fired. They kind of get toothy when fire department breaks down a door, caused all that damage just because I was sleeping. Sorry, I was tired. Been a long night of knocking heads. So just a little heads up. If you're gonna take a nap, make sure you can hear when they're banging on the door. Because otherwise, they call the fire department, you poop your pants, and then you ain't got no job. Now, of course, all my squad is all happy because now we can play 24/7 because I ain't got no job. But I ain't got no money, so I'm kind of screwed. Got to find a new place to work. If you don't want to poop your pants, at least sit on the toilet without your pants on. Maybe you're embarrassing them a little bit after breaking down the door. So it kind of sucked driving home with pooping my pants after I got fired. Had to tell my mama I got fired again. So, Luber Goober out.